Hi, it's Angie with News OK. Wedding season is just around the corner, and brides and their mothers are doing more than just their hair and nails to get ready for the wedding. They're getting full body makeovers. Here's more.
The bride will come and the mother will want something done as well. This is kind of the time of the year we see that the most. I think that moms, knowing my wife, for instance, if or whenever our daughters decide to get married, she's going to be all over it. And I think that's the main motivation, is that for that big event, you want to look your best. Let's say the mother of the bride wants to have a facelift right before the event. You need to know that a facelift looks its best 3 months and on. So if you are like a few weeks into it, then you're going to look sort of operated, you're going to look fresh out of surgery. So it's not going to be a very good thing. But 3 months is plenty of time to wait. 2 months will be a little bit cutting it on the short side. And if you have more time, that's even better. The better the planning, the better the outcome. Other things that are a little bit less involved, such as liposuction or breast augmentation, you're going to be in better shape a lot sooner, like probably in 3 to 4 weeks or things like that. For injectables, probably 2 to 3 weeks would be satisfactory, and sometimes even less, but you don't want to chance it. But treatments like Fraxel, you definitely are going to have 4 weeks of healing time before your skin looks its best, and we do it in stages. So we, for instance, to have a full Fraxel treatment, you have to have at least 4 treatments, and therefore, we space them out 3 weeks. So it's a little bit more involved and staged. Hair removal is something that can be done like fairly quickly, and it's also, in order to get the best result or the best, hair elimination, you have to have at least 4 or 5 treatments. So it's always better to plan them ahead of time. In this day and age, with all this TV attention plastic surgery gets, and people see before and after immediately, and they think that that's just going to happen in real life. And therefore, they come here and they think that in a week or so they're going to be just perfectly good looking. And and it doesn't work that way. There's certainly a downtime, a recovery time. And even after you're fully recovered, there's a time before you're going to look your best. But the best thing is to look for whoever has the highest levels of training and certification, which is one of them is us, the American Board of Plastic Surgery. But that's not all. You also need to look into level of experience, and particularly ask around, because there's going to be people that are going to be able to tell you who would they recommend. And it's better if you have more than one person recommend you a particular surgeon or a particular specialist.
Let's see it.